Handycoat EZ-Skim is an interior ready-mixed skimming compound for most building surfaces, including sand, cement renders, and gypsum boards. Handycoat EZ-Skim is developed for experienced applicators and amateur decorators alike to repair and touch up surfaces in an easy and efficient way. It requires minimum sanding efforts to get a smooth and even surface for painting. This video shows an application process of Handycoat EZ-Skim for skimming of interior walls prior to painting. For this application, you need a scraper, a spatula, a sanding block, and a brush. Mix the material to a uniform consistency, adding a small amount of water if required. Pre-fill any minor imperfections or cracks using a spatula or scraper with Handycoat EZ-Skim. Allow to dry fully. Remove any high spots or loose material from the surface. Place a small amount of Handycoat EZ-Skim on a spatula and apply it in a thin layer of approximately 1 millimeter to achieve a smooth, even surface. Apply in 1 or 2 coats, depending on surface conditions, and allow to dry before a light sanding. No priming is required before painting. And that's it! The special acrylic binder formulation of Handycoat EZ-Skim makes it easy to apply and sand. It is quick drying and has no flaking. It is ideal for skimming compared to conventional products.